Hi friends! My name is Shai and I'm a playologist here at Glazer Children's Museum. Here at the museum, we're talking all about stories and storytelling. Did you know that people have been telling stories even before paper and books ever existed? Communities used to all come together and listen to stories, which usually taught important life lessons. And those stories would then be passed down over and over for hundreds of years. Many of these stories are those that we still read today, like Rumpelstiltskin, Cinderella, and Hansel and Gretel. And when creating stories, we need many different elements, like a setting to help tell us where the story takes place, a plot, which is all the events in a story, a conflict, which is the problem that needs to be solved, and a resolution, which is how our problem is solved. Another important element in your stories are characters. Characters are used to guide the reader through their stories and help them understand the big picture. So, do you want to start creating your own stories? Great! Today we're going to make our characters out of sock puppets so that we can start making stories of our very own. First, we're going to put our sock over our arm and open and close our hand to form where the mouth will be. This will be our guide when creating our sock puppet. Next, take your marker and mark where you want your eyes, mouth, and nose to go. Now, you can take your sock off your hand and design your character however you want. The only limit is your imagination. For my puppet, I'm going to be adding eye stickers, some pom-poms, and some yarn. Now, while creating your sock puppet, start thinking about what kind of character you're creating. Use words to describe what they like or dislike or how they act and feel. For instance, are they brave, smart, kind, funny? Also, think about the items you're using to build your character. How do these materials make you feel about your character as you're adding them to your puppet? These yellow pom-poms make me think that my puppet is fun and lighthearted. And here we have our sock puppet. Now you can start making stories of your very own. I'm so excited to see what stories you're going to create with your new puppets. Be sure to show us the stories you've created and tag us in your sock puppet creations.